WIKO View 2 Pro, and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's find the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's just simply open this slot by using some kind of the special eject tool or simply the paper pin. Just let's press it right here to remove the whole tray. Let me do it, and here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. But in the following slot you can also insert the Nano SIM card. So let me show you how to do it. Let's just use the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and in that way you will have the dual SIM version. But in my case, let me insert here the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here, and let's leave this card in that position. And let me insert the Nano SIM card in the first slot with the characteristic edge right here. Alright, so now let's put the whole thing into your device right here. Let's just press it to the end and simply switch on the phone by pressing the power key. So keep holding power button. Let's wait until the WIKO will show you the home screen. Alright, let's unlock the screen. Here let's find and select settings. Then choose here network and internet. Tap SIM cards. As you can see, the phone is reading one SIM card. You can now go back and choose here storage. You've got here information about the portable storage, so you can also use here the SD card. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.